Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to transfer cryptocurrencies from Coinbase to Crypto.com step by step, updated for 2025. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Coinbase and Crypto.com apps. Launch both your Coinbase and Crypto.com apps and make sure you're logged into both accounts. Step 2. Find your Crypto.com wallet address. In the Crypto.com app, navigate to your wallet and find the cryptocurrency you want to receive. Tap on the coin and then select Receive. This will display your wallet address. Step 3. Copy your wallet address from Crypto.com. So, copy the wallet address shown on Crypto.com. Make sure you're copying the correct address for the cryptocurrency you're transferring. Step 4. Go to Coinbase and select the crypto to transfer. Now, open your Coinbase app. Find the cryptocurrency you wish to transfer and select it. Step 5. Choose Send and paste the Crypto.com address. In the Coinbase app, tap Send and then paste the Crypto.com wallet address you copied earlier into the recipient field. Step 6. Enter the amount and confirm the transfer. Enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Double check that the amount is correct and that you're sending it to the correct address. Step 7. Complete the transfer and wait for confirmation. Once everything looks good, confirm the transfer. You'll receive a confirmation message from Coinbase and your transfer will be processed. It may take a few minutes to a couple of hours depending on the cryptocurrency network. Important tip: make sure the addresses match and you are sending the correct cryptocurrency. Sending coins to the wrong address or wrong coin type can result in loss of funds. And that's it. You've successfully transferred cryptocurrencies from Coinbase to Crypto.com. If this guide helped, like the video and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.